Namaste बच्चों, welcome to our Hindi class. Students, in the video for full revision, already I send it pattern and a portion. Again one time I explain portion 1 to 6 lesson, then 10 to 13 lesson, 7, 8, 9 don't need. Okay, listen here. This video for full revision. Okay, students, now I recall Hindi pattern one time. First Roman, fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer. Both also 5 mark. So will come the Barakadi, Swar and consonant. So should you read the Barakadi vowels and the consonant. Next one, write the English meaning 5 mark. Write the picture's name in Hindi 5 mark. Write 4 words formed 3 letters words. Okay, 5 mark. Listen like that: Kamal, Matar, Sadak, Namak. Refer page number 15. 4 letter words, otherwise 2 letter words, otherwise 3 letter words will come for your annual exam.
Students, consonant and vowels can be asked in fill up and choose. Okay, so let us revise one time. Now swar, that means vowels. A, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Ag. Again one time. A, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Ag. Now consonant, Vyanjan. Okay. Ka, Ikha, Ga, Iga, Nya. Ka, Ikha, Ga, Iga, Nya. Cha, Cha, Ja, Ija, Nya. Cha, Icha, Ja, Ja, Nya. Ta, Ita, Da, Ita, Na. Ta, Ta, Da, Ida, Na. Ta, Ita, Da, Ida, Na. Ta, Ta, Da, Da, Na. Ya, Ra, La, Va. Ya, Ra, La, Va. Ya, Ra, La, Va. Sha, Sha, Sa, Ha. Sha, 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 Ha. Now, Ksha, Itra, Isra, Ikna, Tra. Iksha, Itra, Isra, Igna. Okay. Now, Barakadi. Ka, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kru, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kah. Ka, Kha, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kru, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kag. Again. Ka, Ka, Ki, Ki, Ku, Ku, Kru, Ke, Kai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kah. Ga, Ga, Gi, Gi, Gu, Gu, Kru, Ke, Gai, Ko, Kau, Kam, Kag. Now, Ga, Ga, Gi, Gi, Gu, Gu, Kru, Ge, Kai, Go, Kau, Kam, Kag. Okay. Now, English meaning: kalam, pen. Ka la ma kalam. Kalam means pen. Ka ga ja kagaj paper. Kagaj paper. Third one. Ki ta ba kitab book. Ki ta ba kitab book. Fourth one. Ke la kela banana. Kela banana. Fifth one. Kudir ku ti ra kudir. Kudir means hut. Again one time. Kalam pen. Kakaj paper. Kitab book. Kela banana. Kudir hut. Okay. Now third Roman. Write the symbol of the vowels. A does not have the symbol. So ये बड़े आ की मात्रा this one symbol. छोटा ई की मात्रा symbol. बड़े ई की मात्रा symbol. वो की मात्रा symbol. छोटा ऊ की मात्रा symbol. Now बड़े ऊ की मात्रा simple. This one. So the always right side. Now re की मात्रा symbol like this. C like. Okay. Now A की मात्रा symbol. I की मात्रा symbol. O की मात्रा symbol. औ की मात्रा symbol. Now की मात्रा symbol. Okay. Second lesson third Roman. Match the following. First one pen. What is the Hindi name of pen? Kalam. Here have third answer for first one. Book. Book Hindi name Kitab. Kitab here fifth answer. Third one banana. Hindi name Kela. First answer. Next one comb. Hindi name Gandhi. Second answer. Fifth one hut. Hindi name Gudi. Okay, Kudir. Fourth answer for fifth one. 3, 4, 1, 5, 2. Okay. Lesson 3. Write the English meaning. Kangan, bangle. Prandak, early morning. J6, toda, parrot. Rang, color. Ka, ink. Ga, na, gangan, bangle. Pa, ra of letter how to pronounce? Ir. Tha, hig, prandak, early morning. J6, toda, parrot. Rang, color. Okay. Now write the picture's name in Hindi. First one kite. Hindi name Patank. Shirt kameez. Okay. Pen kalam. Sugarcane eek. Again one time. Kite. Hindi name Patang. Kameez shirt. Kalam pen eek sugarcane. Okay. Now write English meaning. Chat, roof, eek, sugarcane, khag, bird, dun, wealth, gar, house. Again one time. Listen. Chat, roof, eek, sugarcane, khag, bird, dun, wealth, gar, house. Okay. Now fourth lesson. Swaran ke second. The symbols of vowels. First one. Write the English meaning. 1. Forest. Nom, name. Pida, father. City, whistle. Kursi, chair. kursi, chair. Again one time. One, forest, naam, name, pida, father, city, whistle, kursi, chair. Now write the picture's name. First one, mango picture. What is the Hindi name of mango? Aam. Glass, glass. Tumbler, Hindi name glass. Tree, Hindi name vriksha. Leg, pair. Bangle, kangan. Again one time. Aam, mango. Glass, tumbler. Vriksha, tree. Leg, pair. Bangle, kangan. Fourth Roman, gola, lago. छोटा ऊ की मात्रा symbol कुर्सी, कुर्सी, तीर, कील. Here छोटा ऊ की मात्रा symbol only for first one कुर्सी. Second one city, दुनिया, दीर. Second one दुनिया only for छोटा ऊ की मात्रा symbol. मुरली, दीन, गुड़िया. मुरली, गुड़िया only छोटा ई की मात्रा symbol. Now sixth lesson. Venjon ke chigan. The symbol of consonant. Ka of letter. How to pronounce ig. Ka of letter. How to pronounce ig. Ka of letter ig. Ga. Ka ki matra of letter ig. Cha. Ich. Cha does not have the symbol ja. Of letter ij. Ja. Of letter ij. Ta of letter symbol it. Tha of letter symbol it. Ta of letter does not have for symbol this letter. Now 12th one. Tha of letter id. Na the symbol of letter in. Ta of letter ta id. The of letter ta id. The does not have the symbol id. Of letter id. The. Na of letter na symbol. Now ra. Ra consonant, semi-consonant have 3 type. Here 2. One small curve. How to pronounce ir. Slanting line, that also how to pronounce ir. La of letter la, how to pronounce il. Va of letter la, va, you. Sha of letter sha, is. Sha is. Sha of letter is. Ha of letter hig. Sha of letter ksha, ish. Okay. Now we are going to see lesson 10. Hathi. 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 Hathi means the elephant. Okay. First Roman. Write English meaning. Sahahari. Sahahari. That means vegetarian. Sa ka ha ri. Sahahari. Sahahari. Vegetarian. Lakdi. La-ka-ti. Lakadi. Wooden stick. Sing. Line. Si-ing-ha. Sing. Line. Jungle. Forest. Ja-ing-ga-la. Jungle. Forest. Again one time. Sahahari. Vegetarian. Lakadi. Wooden stick. Sing. Line. Jungle. Forest. Again. Sa-ka. Saha. Sa-ka. Sa-ka. Hari. Sahakari. Sahahari. Vegetarian. Lakadi. Wooden stick. La-ka-ti. Lakadi. Wooden stick. Sing. Si-ing-ha. Sing. Line. Jungle. Ja-ing-ga-la. Jungle. Forest. Okay. Now second Roman. उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द लिखियो. लिखो. That means opposite.
U, la, te, ulte, a, ko. How do you pronounce? Ir. Ta, artha, vale, sa, vale, vale, sa. Off letter ba. How do you pronounce? Ib. Da, sabda, liko. Chota e ki matra li, ko, liko. That means opposite. Okay. Now, e, ka, ek. Ek means one, anek means much. Bada, chota, ba, da, bada, chota, chota, bada, chota. Bada means biggest, chota means smallest. Mota, thick, batla, thin. Okay. Mota, mota, ba, ta, la, batla, thin. Adik, adik means lot of, that means much. Kam means less. Ka, ma, kam. Nahi, nahi means nothing. Hang, that means yes or no. Okay, nahi means no, hang means yes. Okay, again one time. Ek, anek, bada, chota, mota, batla, adik, kam, nagi, hang. E, ka, e, a, ne, ka, anek, ek, anek, bada, chota, mota, batla, adik, kam, nagi, ma, hang. Nagi, hang. Okay. Now third Roman, match the following. Ha-ti, hati. Hati means elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Hati, elephant. Ek. Ek means one. O-N-E, one. Now, lakadi. Lakadi means log. L-O-G. Log means wooden, wood. Okay. Lakadi, log. Next one, tangt. Tangt means teeth. T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Okay. Tum. Tum means tail. Tum means tail. Again one time. Hati. Hati means elephant. A. One. Lakadi. Lakadi means log. Tangt, teeth. Tum, tail. Okay. Now, lesson 11, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Okay. First Roman, Sabdarth. Sa, off letter ba. How do pronounce? Ib. Da, ir, da. Sabdarth. That means meaning. Samsar. Sa. How do pronounce the dot? Here, im. Sa, ra. Samsar means world. Imarat. I-ma-ra-ta. Imarat. Imarat means building. Third one, Nadi. River. Na-di. Nadi means river. Yath. Memory. Ya-da. Ya-da. Yath means memory. Log. People. Log. People. Again one time. First Roman, Sabdar. Meaning. Samsar. Sa. Im. Sa. Ra. Samsar. World. Samsar means world. Imarat. I-ma-ra-ta. Imarat means building. Okay. Nadi. River. Na-di. Nadi. River. Fourth one. Yath. Ya-da. Yath means memory. Log. People. Lo-ga. Log means people. Now, second Roman, उल्टे अर्थ वाले शब्द लिखे. शब्द लिखिए. एक अनेक. एक अनेक. एका. एक अनेका. अनेक. एक अनेक. एक means one, अनेक means more. सुंदर. असुंदर. सुंदर means beauty. असुंदर means ugly. Su, na,
Off letter na. How to pronounce? In. Sundara. Sundar. A. Su. Off letter na. Int. In. Ta. Ra. Asundar. Int. Da. Ra. Asundar. Third one. Safed. Sa. Fe. Tha. Safed. Safed means white. Kala means black. Okay. Kala means black. Ana. Come. Jana. Go. Come. Go. Ek. Anek. Sundar. Asundar. Safed. Kala. Ana. Jana. Ek. Ka. Ek. Anek. Aneka. Anek. Sundara. Sundar. Beautiful. Asundar. Ugly. Safed. White. Kala. Black. Ana. Come. Jana. Go. Now third Roman, match the following. Patni. Pa. Ta. Ni. Ta off letter here. So how to pronounce it? Pa. It. Ni. Patni means wife. Patni means wife. Okay. Second one. Sundar. Su. Off letter na. In. Da. Ra. Sundar. Sundar means beauty. 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 Third one. Nadi. Nadi means river. Na. Di. Bade ki matra. Di. Nadi means river. Yad. Ya. Da. Yad means memory. Imarat. Imarat means what? Building. Okay. Imarat means building. Again one time. Patni. Wife. Sundar. Beautiful. Sundar. Beauty. Nadi. River. Yad. Memory. Imarat. Building. Imarat. Building. Okay.
Students, now lesson 12. Mahatma Gandhi. Who is a Mahatma Gandhi? He is a father of our nation. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi. Ma. Ha. Ta off letter how to pronounce? It. Ma. Maha. It. Ma. Mahatma Gandhi. Ga. Chandra Bindu Kumatra. Di. Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi. First Roman. Sabdart. That means meaning. Pachis. Pa. Cha off letter. Ich. Chi. Bade ki matra. Sha. Pachis. 25. Kaksa. Kaksa means class. Kaksa. Kaksha means class. Viram. Ma. Viram means interval. Next one. Maidan. Maidan. Maidan means playground. Anusasan. Anusasan. Discipline. Anusasan means discipline. Again one time. 25. 25. Kaksa. Class. Viram. Interval. Maidan. Playground. Anusasan. Discipline. Second Roman. Matches. Satya aur. Satya aur Ahimsa. Satya means truth. Ahimsa means non-violence. Both also principle of our Mahatma Gandhi. Satya always follow the truth and non-violence. So only today also his name famous in our heart. Satya aur Ahimsa. Sa. Ta off letter is ya. Satya aur. He. Him. Sa. Here dot how to pronounce? Him. Ahimsa. Satya aur Ahimsa. Second answer for first one. Mohan Das. Mohan Das. Mohan Das. Full name Karamchand Gandhi. Karam. Sa. Ing. Da. Sangt. Ga. Ing. Di. Mohan Das Karamchand Gandhi for third answer. For second one. Samay K. Baban. sa ma ye samaya ke ba ba pa ba im id baban samayake baban Satya Aur Ahimsa Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi samayake paband. Okay.
Now third Roman उल्टा अर्थ वाले शब्द लिखिए. Opposite. बुरा नया बुरा बुरा नया नया. Ahimsa. Bura means what? Old. Naya means new. Ahimsa. He imsa. Ahimsa himsa. Ha ra har means defeat. Jeet means success. Satya, that means truth. Asatya means truthless. Janma maran. Janma maran. Jan means birth. Maran means death. Next one again one time. Bura naya ahimsa himsa har jeet satya asatya janma maran. Now second Roman vachan badalo change the noun. Work way this deson ek anek neta neta yeng. Work way this deson ek anek neta neta yeng. Friends, now ginti, that means counting. Okay, write the numbers name in Hindi. Now 1 to 20 only. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 10. Again one time. एक 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 7 7 8 8 8 8 9 9 10 10. Now correct 11. Ig of letter ga ig ya ra ha igarak 11. Borak 12. Bora ha borak 12. Terak 13. Tera ha terak 13. Sauda ha saudak 14. Pa in here in dot how to pronounce in the ra ha pandarak 15. Solak 16. Satarak 17. Attarak 18. Atara ha atarak 18. 19 bis 20. Okay, again on time. Karak 11, Borak 12, Terak 13, Saudak 14, Pandarak 15, Solak 16, Satarak 17, Attarak 18, 19 bis 20. Now second Roman, match the following. Number 1, Hindi name Ek. So second answer for 1. Eka, Ek, 1 for first one. 18, Attarag, 2. That means fourth answer for second one. Attarag means 18. Itaraha, Attarag 18. 4 means char. Third, first answer for third one. 16 means solak. 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 Okay. Fifth answer for fourth one. Bees means 20. Third answer for fifth one. 1 Attarak 18 Char 4 Solak 16 Bees 20. Okay, now fill in the blanks. Do. Next one. Teen. Attarak. Ek means 1, do means 2, teen means 3. So here teen only answer. Attarak 18, 19, bees 20. Attarak after what come here? 19. Saat 7, 8, now 9. Saat 7, 8, now 9. 1, 2, 3. 18 19 20 7 8 9. Okay. Students, now take your book, page number 46. अंग्रेजी में लिखो. Write in English. वर्क में जिखाई. This is table. I'm अध्यापक हूँ. I am a teacher. हम भारतीय है. We are Indian. तुम लड़की हो. You are a girl. वे तोते हैं. Those are parrot. वह कलम है. That is a pen. एक लड़का है. This is a boy. This is a boy. आप पंडित है. You are a scholar. ये लड़के हैं. These are boys. आप राम है. You are a Ram. You are a Ram. Again one time. वक्त मेजी है. This is table. मैं अध्यापक हूँ. I am a teacher. हम भारतीय है. We are Indians. तुम लड़की हो. You are a girl. वे तोते है. Those are parrot. वे वह कलम है. That is a pen. एक लड़का है. This is a boy. आप पंडित है. You are a scholar. ये लड़के है. These are boys. आप राम है. You are a Ram.
Students, reminder of the lesson will be see next week. Okay, any doubt, don't hesitate, freely ask me. Okay.